go over the TFT display on your new S model bike. First, you have the tachometer. The red line will be displayed at a lower point until the bike reaches normal operating temperature, and then will move up to where it is now. Speedometer, information bar at the top, which you can scroll through using the up button on the menu. Mode displayed in the top right-hand corner. Gear indicator, and digital clock. Note the prompt at the bottom, which shows you there is an additional menu. Let's explore that now. Push down on the menu button starts at My Vehicle. Scroll to the right. The next is the Sports display bar. Scroll to the right. The navigation bar is grayed out until you sync up a phone with it. Scroll right. The media bar is also grayed out until a phone is synced. Scroll right. Telephone menu will highlight when the phone is synced. Scroll right. Finally, you have your settings. Return to all the way to the left. Then scroll down to go to My Vehicle. Note at the top, there is several different pages under My Vehicle. The first page gives you the vital information about the bike. Engine temperature, tire pressure, both front and rear, voltage, and distance till empty. Scroll right. The next tab is your Trip 1 information, noted by the 1 next to the road at the top left corner. This breaks down all the information within the trip. Scroll down, accesses Reset All Values. To reset all values, scroll right. In the event that you would want to reset individual values, turn the wonder wheel down, then scroll right, then scroll down or up to whichever tab you would want to reset. Once the tab is displayed, scroll right to reset that individual component. To exit, push up on the menu. To get to Trip 2, scroll right. Trip 2 is noted next to the road at the top. All this information is unaffected when resetting Trip 1. To reset Trip 2, follow a similar pattern as you did on Trip 1. Push down on the menu. Scroll down 1. To reset everything, scroll right. To get back to Trip 2, push up on the menu. To get to the next panel, scroll right. This has your specs for tire pressure as well as your active tire pressure monitoring. To get to the next panel, scroll right. This has your service due date and distance remaining till your service is due. To exit, push up. Now let's explore the Sport display mode. Scroll right, then scroll down. Within this menu, there are several different displays. Miles per hour. Information bar is moved slightly to the right. Mode is displayed. Also, gear indicator in the top right corner. Your dynamic traction control is displayed here. Max lean angles, along with your tach sweeping around it. Braking, and of course, the clock in the bottom right-hand corner. Scroll to the right. The second display has similar information with some slight changes. The top bar is unchanged with miles per hour, ride mode, and gear indicator. Dynamic traction control is still displayed on the left side. TAC in the middle, but now lap times is displayed in the middle, as well as current lap times and your best lap time. These are all going to become available when you are in active track mode. Next display, scroll right. Once again, similar information, just displayed in a different pattern. Top bar remains unchanged with miles per hour mode and gear selector. Dynamic traction control is on the far left. Tachometer sweeps across the middle. Your lean angle maxes are displayed here with lap times displayed clearly across the bottom. Plus or minus your lap times, current lap time, and best lap time in the corner. Each one of these displays can be reset by moving down. In here, you have, to stop the recordings, you have number of laps, delete all lap times, and reset best lap time ever. To scroll through these menus, use the up and down on the wonder wheel to select. When you reach the one that you want to reset, simply move to the right to reset. To exit this, simply move up. As I said, scrolling back left, each one of these has a similar reset screen. Move down, and displays a similar reset screen below. Move back up, and move back up once more to get to the display screen. Move right, move right, move right, move right, and now we reach our settings menu. Move down. The top bar is Racetrack Mode. We will cover racetrack configuration in a later video. Turn the wheel down. This is General Vehicle Settings. To enter this, twist right. Twist right to enter RDC. RDC can be turned on or off here. Twist right to toggle. To exit, twist left. HSC Pro, twist right, and then scroll up and down to select twist right, then to exit the screen, twist left. Scroll down. You can now enter lap timer. Twist right. This allows you to set all of your lap timer options. Once again, to enter, scroll up and down, and then twist or right to select. Twist left to exit, down. This allows you to turn on your shift light and configure it. Let's activate that now. Twist right, then scroll down, twist right again to set the shift light configuration. You can set both the start and the end RPM for your shift light. Let's select the start RPM, twist right, and then scroll up and down till you select the RPM you want to set it at. Once set to the RPM, twist right to OK, and twist left to exit. You can also scroll down and set both brightness and frequency of the light when the shift light activates. Scroll left to get out of the shift light configuration. Scroll down. Scroll right. This would be a screen to calibrate your dynamic dampening control on your bike. Scroll left to exit out of this screen. Scroll left to exit out of the vehicle settings screen. Scroll down for other system settings. Scroll right. This allows you to set time and date, metric or standard, and set the language for the bike. Scroll left and scroll down for connections. Scroll right. Here is where you configure your mobile phone. First, have your mobile phone updated. Next, put it in pairing mode. Scroll right. You will see this is where you pair the new mobile phone or mobile device. Scroll right again with your phone in pairing mode. If your phone is in pairing mode, it will display on the screen here. Once paired, scroll left and scroll left again. The lower two are to pair your helmets for your rider or your passenger, following the same procedure you did for your phone. If you scroll all the way to the bottom with delete connections, that would be if you need to delete a pairing that you have made and want to reset or pair with a different device. To do that, scroll down and scroll right. There is none here, but this screen would have the option for you to remove the pairings. Scroll left and scroll left again to exit. Display, scroll right. Brightness of your screen. You can adjust that by scrolling right and then turning the wheel up or down till the desired brightness is achieved. Scroll right to select and then scroll left to exit. Scroll down to status line content. Scroll to the right. Each one of these items is going to be the line items that are displayed on the top bar on the main display when you're riding. It helps if you select only the ones that you really want to have displayed to make it the most efficient, that you don't have to scroll through quite so much information. So let's go through here and remove a few. To toggle these on and off, simply scroll right to turn them off. You want it turned back on, just scroll right again and it will recheck the box. Once you have this set, whatever ones you have checked will appear in your top line as you push up on the menu button during the main display. Let's scroll left and left again to exit. The information tab is more for the mechanics. It tells them what version on the TFT display. If you want to reset the TFT display, go to Reset All. If you want to actually confirm it, you would scroll down and click OK. If not, scroll to Cancel and scroll right. Let's hit the up menu button twice to get back to the main display.